Hello and welcome back. If you haven't watched the first episode, please do so before you start this tutorial so you can follow along. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most important tools in Infinite Painter, which is the Layers panel. Let's jump into it. On the top right corner of the screen, you're going to find a symbol that looks like sheets on top each other, which will open the Layers panel if you tap it. Let's tap that symbol now. The Layers panel block should pop out from the top right side with 3 elements. On the top there is going to be a plus sign, which is part of the layer controls. Tapping that plus sign will add a new layer to your layers stack. The white square in the middle is the layers stack, which has a small preview of your artwork. In the bottom is the paper layer button, which looks like a circle so you can change textures or colors to the background of your canvas. We are not going to learn anything advanced for layers today, so let's move along. There are 2 buttons near the Layers button, which are the creative tools and editing tools. These 2 buttons will reveal a generous amount of tools that will help you create and edit your content to please you to your best abilities. And lastly, at the very end of the top right screen is the options menu. If you touch that button, it will open a small tab with different options that can help you decide what to do with your content. The only ones important we're going to talk about today are the new, Open, Save, and Export buttons. The New button will allow you to make new projects if you decide to start a new project. Save is pretty self-explanatory, is to save your work. Open is to go back to your project's page, and Export is to finally export your content. Next episode, we're going to quickly go through the hand gestures to help you speed up your work. That's it for today, peeps. Like and subscribe for more quick content.